Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Ferguson. Today we're working on Skills Unit 10, Lesson 21. And by the end of this lesson today, you should be able to read the tricky words, read single syllable words with the E, A, I, and O spellings, point and read from left to right, read Scott's Snack Stand with purpose and understanding, answer questions about that story, and draw a picture with a caption about the story that we're going to read today. So let's get started with reviewing our tricky words. Read them with me. All, I, know, look, says, she, was, here, a, so, once, word, down, are, when, 3, little, there, were, the, we, blue, there, out, which, they, yellow, why, 2, 1, where, 2, said, from, be, what, me, he. Nice job with those tricky words, boys and girls. Now we are going to do some pop out chaining. So the way this is going to work is you're going to see a word on your screen. I'll read that word to you. And then I am going to say alakazam. And the magic E is going to appear at the end of that word, changing it to a brand new word. So let's try it out to see what happens. So our first word is hop. Hop. Alakazam. There's that magic E. It appeared at the end of the word hop, changing it to a new word. Remember, when the O and the E work together, it says the O sound, the O sound. So our new word is hope. Hope. Let's try another one. Here's not. Not. Alakazam. There's that magic E. What is our new word? Very good. Note. Note. The O and the E work together to say the O sound. Here we have rip. Rip. Alakazam. There's the magic E. What's our new word? Very good. Ripe. The I and the E work together to make the I sound. Here we have cod. Cod. Alakazam. There's the magic E. What's our new word? Very good. Code. The O and the E work together to say the O sound. Code. Here's the word tot. Tot. Alakazam. There's the magic E. What's our new word? Good. Tote. Tote. The O and the E work together to make the O sound. Tote. Here's our word rod. Rod. Alakazam. There's the magic E. Changing our word to what? Very good. Road. Road. The O and the E work together to make the O sound. Here we have fin, fin. Alakazam. There's the magic E. What's our new word? Very good. Fine, fine. The I and the E work together to make the I sound. Here we have con, con. Alakazam. There's the magic E. The O and the E work together to make the O sound, changing the word to cone. Very good. Cone. Here we have tap, tap. Alakazam. There's the magic E. What's our new word? Very good. Tape, tape. The A and the E work together to make the A sound. Very good. And here we are, cop, cop. Alakazam. There's the magic E. What's our new word? Very good, cope. The O and the E work together to make the O sound, changing the word cop to cope. Nice job with that, boys and girls. Pat yourselves on the back. All right, now we're going to read the story, Scott's Snack Stand. Here you see the front cover of our Scott book. And this page is the table or the title page. Sorry about that. This is the title page. And here's the table of contents. The table of contents shows us all of the titles in our Scott book and what page number they start on. So today we're reading Scott's Snack Stand. If we follow along the dots, we land on this page number. Scott's Snack Stand starts on page number 36. A vocabulary word we're going to go over is tote bag. A tote bag is a large bag that is open at the top. An example of tote bag in a sentence would be, Mike uses a tote bag for his gym clothes. And there's a picture of a tote bag. Some spelling words that we're going to see in our story today. With the E sound, we're going to see the word week and 3. With the A sound, we're going to see make and came. With the I sound, we're going to see the words bike, wife, spice, and 5. And with the O sound, we're going to see the words road, tote, home, and stove. All right, I am going to read Scott's Snack Stand, and then we're going to read it together. So follow along as I read Scott's Snack Stand. Scott has a snack stand. Last week, he rode his bike to a shop to get nuts to sell at his stand. He got 3 big bags of nuts. The nuts cost him a lot of cash. Scott slid the bags in his tote bag. Then he rode home. When he got home, he got his mom to help him make hot spice nuts on the stove top. Then Scott set up his stand. Hot spice nuts, he said. Get a bag of hot spice nuts, just $1. A kid came by and got a bag of nuts. Then a man got a bag. Then the man's wife got a bag. He made back the 5 he had spent on nuts plus 10 in cash. Wow, so he made lots of money selling his hot spice nuts. All right, now it's your turn to read with me. Get those pointer fingers out and follow along as we read the story together. Let's start up here with the title, Scott's Snack Stand. Scott has a snack stand. Last week, he rode his bike to a shop to get nuts to sell at his stand. He got 3 big bags of nuts. The nuts cost him a lot of cash. Scott slid the bags in his tote bag. Then he rode home. When he got home, he got his mom to help him make hot spice nuts on the stove top. Great reading so far. Let's keep going. Then Scott set up his stand. Hot spice nuts, he said. Get a bag of hot spice nuts, just $1. A kid came by and got a bag of nuts. Then a man got a bag. Then the man's wife got a bag. He made back the 5 he had spent on nuts, plus 10 in cash. Nice reading, boys and girls. Now it's time to answer questions about the story. And remember, use complete sentences when answering the question. What does Scott sell at his snack stand? Think. What does he sell at his snack stand? That's right. Scott sells hot spice nuts. What does Scott do to the nuts before he sells them? Do you remember what he did? That's right. Scott gets his mom to help him make hot spice nuts. Very good. How much money does Scott make? Do you remember how much money he made? Very good. Scott got back the 5 he spent plus 10 in cash. Great job with those questions. Now it's time to work out of our Skills 10 workbook on activity page 21.1, and it looks just like this. So what we're going to do is read the question and we're going to bubble in the correct answer. The question is, what did Scott get from the shop? Did he get a bike, nuts, or plums? That's right, nuts. So you're going to go ahead and bubble in that bubble next to the word nuts. Pause the video if you need to, okay? Moving on to the next question. What did the nuts cost Scott? So here we have to do some writing. What did the nuts cost Scott? Do you remember? That's right. The nuts cost Scott a lot of cash. So you're going to go ahead and write that sentence on the lines. The nuts cost a lot of cash. Pause the video if you need to copy down this answer. The next one says, tell what Scott did with the nuts. What did he do with the nuts? That's right. Scott slid the nuts in his tote bag. Very good. He slid the nuts in his tote bag. So go ahead and write that down on the lines. Pause the video if you need to. Now for this page, you're going to have to draw a picture and write a caption underneath it. I chose the picture of Scott selling his nuts. So you can go ahead and draw this picture if you like, or any part of the story, and you're going to write a caption underneath it. I wrote Scott sells nuts on the line. When you're done with these worksheets, take pictures of them and upload them to your portfolio so your teachers can see all of the hard work that you guys did today. Nice job today, everyone. Keep up the good work. I am so proud of you.